Hi, it's Simon here from Andover Norton. It's time for another back in stock video. I've been rummaging around the shelves. I found a load of stuff. So let's see what is back in stock for you this week. So first things first, part number 031746, the fuel tap for the Reserve with a sealing washer is £23.94, including VAT. And for the same price, the fuel tap main tap with sealing washer is also, like I say, £23.94, and that is part number 033155. Part number 064283P, the oil filter kit with the plain 3/8 ID hose, is £82.74, including VAT. And the indicator kit for the 7172 Commando with 2 short and 2 long stems, part number 062329S, is currently £203.94, including VAT. And finally this week, part number 131639, the inspection cover kit primary side Commando for the 1969 to 1974 bikes, is £32.34, including VAT. And don't forget, whatever that you want for your bike, if it's not in stock at the moment, you can set yourself up a reminder through the Andover Norton website, which is really simple to do. We've got a video all about it. You can see the link in the section below, or just watch this little clip over the top of what I'm doing right now. Or if you prefer, what we can do is you can give us an email or give us a call and we can let you know when those items will be back in stock for you. Until next time though, safe riding.